Hi friends, I'm Nisha Thakur. In this video, I want to tell you how you can teach maths to your kids. If you have 2 to 5 years old kid, so I'm sure this video is very useful for you. Today I am telling you some tips that will help your child develop interest in maths. Usually we study in this sequence: addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, and finally division. But don't do like this. Yes, I am saying true. Don't teach them in this sequence. First teach addition, then multiplication, not subtraction. Yes, multiplication. Because multiplication is not new for them, it's just repeated addition. So we can take an example: 2 times 5, which means 2 comes 5 times. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 10. Okay. Or we can say another example: 5 times 2. So which means 5 comes 2 times. 5 plus 5. 5 is repeating addition here. So 5 plus 5, 10. Or we can say 2 times 5, 10. 5 times 2, 10. Like this. So you can teach them with addition. I hope you got my point. When your child becomes perfect in addition and multiplication, then you can start subtraction and repeated subtraction, which means division. So you can easily teach division too. For example, you can take 20 divided by 5. So here divided by 5, it means keep subtracting 5 from 20. So like 20 subtract 5, we get 15. Now again subtract 5 from 15. So 15 subtract 5, we get 10. Again 5 subtract from 10, we get 5. Again subtract 5 from 5, we get 0. So here how many 5s we subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 5s we subtracted. It means our answer is 4. Okay, so 20 divided by 5 equal 4. So you can teach them like that. I am sure this trick will help you. One more important thing: while doing this process, don't be in such a hurry. Let your child take their time. And if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice time.